Brazing copper pipes for AC unit.
Alright, so what we're doing, we just did a coil clean. Now we're brazing everything back together to get the copper to mend. You gotta get the copper nice and hot first. Then you run the brazing rods down it. Not quite the right temp. I'd really like it a little hotter than this, to be honest. Now it's nice and hot. Pipes get nice and red. You put the brazing material up top like this, and then it runs it down the sides like that. And you just fill it in the gaps. And then once you have it all brazed in real good, you let it cool down. You reapply some pressure and make sure it's functioning properly, and that's it. I'm going to do a few picks.